Welcome back, adventure seekers. Thanks for riding along with me. I'm Jay with Local Route ADV, and today we got a good one for you. We're headed about 30 miles northeast of Moab, and we are going to Dewey Bridge, kind of cross the BDR route there, and heading back to Top of the World. It's a little 10-mile little out and back with a little loop at the end. One of the best views in the state. So saddle up, let's go for a ride.
Welcome back, adventure seekers. Thanks for riding along with me. I surely hope at the end of our journey, maybe you will make your own Local Route ADV.
Welcome back, adventure seekers. Here we go. Colorado Riverway. Bunch of sun in my face.
Although we adventure riders strive for dirt and gravel to boldly go where few have gone before, the roads along the Colorado River are a must-see. Even though this route was chosen because it was the fastest and most direct to get to the dirt for the day, what a great surprise to be on one of the most beautiful, scenic, curvy, and amazing roads I've ever ridden.
Well, here we are at the start of my off-road expedition today. We are headed down to Top of the World, or up to Top of the World, I should say. I don't know much about it other than I saw a cool picture of a guy taking his Jeep, and it was just like looking over this canyon. I think it might be Grandstaff Canyon, I don't know, but we'll find out. This is actually the intersection here at Dewey Bridge of, I can't remember which two sections on the BDR. Poison Mines are up this way, where I crashed a couple years ago, if you guys watched that video. Gotta apologize. My GoPro Hero 10 that's 2 years old is completely crapped out, so maybe not much B-roll footage today. I'm gonna keep trying. We'll see how it goes. We're headed out. Let's go for a ride, guys.
All right, adventure riders and all around curious type people, we are headed into what I believe is called Entrada Bluffs area. I always say area real slow. And we're just on our way to the Top of the World Trail. Beautiful morning for a ride. I can see my GoPro Hero 10 is just not going to stay on. And it's kind of making me think about it instead of this beautiful place. Don't do that, people. Top of the world. Top of the world to you. Oh, this is better. Is it bad that I'm already wore out? Even in Ohio, when you're going down the rough spots, it seems like for bikes, it's always crisscrossing seems to work the best. That's true out here as well. Don't have much time to think about which way to go, that's for sure. I think this is the top of the world, people. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Holy moly. Phew. I'm on top of the world. It was worth it.
Located in the Waring Mesa, overlooking Fisher Valley, Onion Creek, and the LaSalle Mountains to the south, Top of the World Viewpoint sits at 7,050 feet in elevation. Considered to be one of the harder trails in Moab, if you use the connecting trails of Shura Road, Rose Garden Hill, and Onion Creek, one can enjoy over 40 miles of extreme off-road heaven. Locations like this remind me what it means to be alive. They change you a little. I think we all have some form of an adventurous spirit. Whether it is exploring new places, new situations, new information, or maybe it's just a moment of clarity that reminds us to be open to new ideas. Even question what we always thought to be true. Wherever there is an unknown, there is adventure to be found. Sometimes we just gotta slow down and notice it.
I don't know if I got a little vertigo or something, dizziness, but it's just like I'm kind of wobbly, so that might be part of my problem getting up these hills. Did I mention how much fun I'm having? I actually am. Sometimes it sounds like a struggle, but the struggle is all part of it. Why? Why am I doing this to myself?